And with that steady increase in cases, we knew there was a real possibility that variances here in El Paso County could be rolled back. And today, county and city leaders took preemptive action, opting not to wait for the state.
Starting Monday, restaurants, retailers, and others will not be allowed to have more than 100 people inside at a time. News Channel 13's Chase Golightly joins us live in downtown Colorado Springs with what local officials had to say about these changes. Chase?
Bart, Heather, currently businesses can have up to 175 people inside, but that's going to change soon. And health officials made it very clear today that this is not a recommendation, it's a requirement.
The move to decrease the number of people allowed inside non-essential businesses is something city and county leaders wanted to avoid. But Mayor John Souther says it was time to take action now to avoid a worsening situation later.
We think these are small and reasonable steps that we can avoid more drastic steps, such as possibly closing down our retail, restaurants, and other aspects of our economy.
The mitigation plan will last for 2 weeks, but could be extended depending on how the number of cases pans out.
This is only a temporary placement. If our numbers continue to go back down, this shouldn't last more than a couple of weeks.
However, the amended variance doesn't apply to places of worship. They can still have up to 175 people. The medical director for El Paso County Public Health, Dr. Robin Johnson, says they're excluded because county data shows churches aren't a flashpoint right now.
Part of the reason that we track and we do quarantine and isolation is to give us the opportunity to be more targeted.
We also asked if this mitigation plan was a direct response to Governor Jared Polis and his variance warning to 15 counties, including El Paso. Johnson says they've been working closely with the state all along, and this was a mutual decision.
In agreement with CDPHE, made the decision that there would need to be some additional plans to help reduce that number.
Officials are also encouraging employers to continue allowing work from home or go back to that if employees have already started to return.
As for grocery stores, we learned that this mitigation plan won't impact them. There was also talk today about opening up a second testing facility here in El Paso County. Lauren Barnes will have more on that in just a moment. But for now, reporting live in downtown Colorado Springs, Chase Golightly, KRDO News Channel 13.